Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial on NetTech channel. Today's video I'll be designing a random password generator. I'll generate a random password using JavaScript. And whenever I click on this generate a password to bring out a password, if I continue clicking on that, it will keep generating the new password. As you can see that we have the alphabet, the uppercase, lowercase, the number, and the character, and I can decide to copy the password. Yeah, as you can see it. So I will be accomplish this using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And if you wish to design this on your own, keep watching this video to the end. All right, here is the folder, and I have my images folder here. So here are the images I'll be used to accomplish this work. Yeah, so here is the index, the CSS. So let me just open down code editor. All right, here's the HTML estimated file that I've created here. Here's the CSS, the font family, the box sizing, everything is over here. So yeah, so as you can see, I have my tool, the random password generator. So shout out to the easy tutorial because I saw this video on the easy tutorial channel. So that's my style sheet and the link to the CSS area. So what I'm just gonna do is to create a div with a with a class container. So just container. So in between here, we'll create the header one, which is get a random password. Yeah, as you can see that. Get a random password. So in between here, I will add a break. So to break it down. So I'm gonna come down here and create a div which the class will be displayed. In between, I will create my input. So the ID will be password and the um, pl- place order that will be a password as well. All right, so I'm just gonna come down and create the image for the for this work. So I have that in my folder, so that will be copy.png. So I'm just gonna remove that. All right, let's check that out. So this is what we just did to get a random password, which I break down. So let's go back. So all right, I'll be opening this on the live server instead of going back over. So this is our work. So let me go back. All right. All right, so here to my CSS. So I'm gonna create the style the body. So the background, the specify the color. So the color. So let's go back. So just gonna put that container come down here. So container, just want to style the whole container. So the margin, the width, so that'll be 90 degree. So the max width 700 pixel. So like check out. So here's the background color and here's the color for the text. So as you can see there, it looks so perfect. Everything blends together. So all right, let's go back. So just gonna copy the display. So I want to style the display as well. So the width will be 100 degree. The margin top that will be 50 pixel. The margin bottom that will be 30 pixels. So the background. And we make use of white. So the color as well would be that, and the display that'll be flexy. So I like terms love center. They justify the content. Space between to make perfect, and the padding I give it 26 pixels to 20 pixels. Alright, so the border radius. Yeah, 5 pixel will be okay. So let's guess what we just did. So it looks great and perfect. So let's go back. So the container header, that'll be the font width will be 500. So the font size 45 pixel. So right. So let me just here just import the spam. Just copy that to the end here. Okay. So here will be container header spam. So the color, I give it the color. Um, the border, but specify the other as well. So give it the color. So the padding, mm, the padding bottom 7 pixel. You can see that. So it looks great, and everything just blend together. So the display image. So the width specify that will be 30 pixel. The cursor will be pointer. You can see that. So it looks perfect. So here is display input. So the border will be 0. The outline will be 0. So the font size will be 24 pixel. So as you can see that everything blend together. You can see it looks great, and I love it. Alright, so yeah, just gonna create the buffing, which will be generate password. So as you can see that. So let me go back to here and add what's it called image. I will generate because I have all those image in my folder. Alright, so as you can see that. So let me go back to the CSS to style it. So the container buffing input as your image. So the width will be 20 pixel. The margin right, that will be 10 pixel. So I copy that. So the border will be 0. The outline will be 0. The background, give it a nice color. So the color, that will be white. So the font size, the font weight. So the display will be flexy. The align items will be center and justify content will be center as well. So the padding US is to pixel 26 and pixel. So the border radius of pi 5 pixel, the cursor with the pointer. So all right, check that out. So this is what we just did now. It looks great, and all the color blends together. So here's the HTML and the CSS interface. It looks great and perfect. All right, let's come down here. So what I'm gonna do is to create the script. So that'll be for the JavaScript code. So constant password box equal to the document dot by get element by ID. So since we are dealing with the password, so here will be password. So constant constant length will be 12. Yeah, constant length will be 12. And okay, for the cost constant so that will be uppercase equals to um, the alphabet, which should be uppercase, and I'll change this to lowercase, and all that will be lowercase as well. A, B, C to Z. So I change down to lowercase. So I'm gonna come down here. So the constant that will be number equals to that will be 0 to 9. All right, I'm going to type the constant and the symbol. So, and I'm going to input all the character in here. So that's it for the symbol. So function create, function create password. So function create password. So I'm gonna create the call bracket. So in between, all right. Was the length of the password. So let me just quickly type everything so I will explain it. So all right, let the password be the uppercase length. So the length of that's the uppercase. So it puts less from the alphabet in uppercase. So also the lowercase as well. So the number was left from the number and from the character, which is the symbol. So like that we select everything within. So this is the code from the the password, let the password be all this, and the length will be 12. So while the length is greater than the password dot length, all right. So just keep following all the steps to the end. So in between here, let me create the custom. So it got to be all caps, which means all the character um, equals to, you know, like uppercase plus lowercase plus number plus the symbol. So, all right, I'm just gonna copy that down here and just change all the symbols to the other cats. So there, so password plus the character. So, all right. So down here, going to tab the password box dot value equals to password. You understand the password box dot value will be equal to um the password. So here it's all what's it called? The password. So so in between there, I'm going to just input the on click equals to the create password. So whenever I click on the generate to create the password. So um, so that the password length would be 12. So let's check that out. So as you can see that is the our password, but there's something to be added here. The copy um button is not working yet. So let me quickly create that. Let me add it. Let's go back. So here function copy. We use function copy password. That's the password box dot select. So down there will be document dot asset command in bracket copy. So we're just gonna come here and change one to the on click equals to copy password. So whenever I click on that image, it will automatically copy the password. As you can see now, it's working perfectly. So then I can come to my notepad and paste it down there. So you can see it's copy now. So I can just come down and create another password, copy it and paste it into our notepad as well. So you can see everything looks great and perfect. So guys, that will be all of this today's video tutorial. So I would like you guys to smash the subscribe button, like and comment to see the new uploaded video. And please do share this video. Thanks for watching.